from the first day of 2016, there will be no interviews for recruitments to all Group C posts, non-gazetted posts of Group B category of Government of India and all such equivalent posts. There will be no interviews in these categories even in cases where in the past selections used to be made purely on the basis of performance in interviews. This decision has been taken to weed out corrupt practices in such recruitments.
2016 is going to ring in some good news for the youth. Taking a firm step in implementing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's noble initiative of doing away with job interviews, Department of Personnel and Training has sent a memorandum to all union ministries stating that from 1st January 2016, there will be no recruitment with interview at the junior level posts in Government of India ministries, departments, autonomous bodies, public sector undertakings, etc. All the advertisement for future vacancies will be without the interview as part of the recruitment process.
मैंने अभी तक ऐसे मनोवैज्ञानिक नहीं देखे हैं कि 2 मिनट का इंटरव्यू करें और मनुष्य को पूरा जांच लें। भाइयों बहनों, मेरे मन में कई दिनों से चल रहा है, एक गरीब मां का बेटा, कम शिक्षा पाया हुआ व्यक्ति, जिसे छोटी छोटी नौकरियों की जरूरत है, क्या उसको इंटरव्यू देना जरूरी है क्या बिना इंटरव्यू उसको नौकरी नहीं मिल सकती?
So 2016 will usher in a new era in government recruitment policy. The decision of no interview will apply to all Group C posts and for non-gazetted posts of Group B category and all such equivalent posts. The official communication also states that interviews will be done away even in cases where in the past the selections used to be made purely on the basis of performance in the interview. It also clarified that as skill test or physical test is different from interview, they may continue. Youths are obviously elated at new rules which have also the potential to weed out corrupt practices followed during the interview process in the past.
किसी के साथ भेदभाव नहीं होगा, मेरिट बेसिस पे होगा तो सबके लिए अच्छा ही है।
मेरे ख्याल से अच्छा कदम है ये वाला, करप्शन मेरे ख्याल से काफ़ी हद तक कम हो जाएगी इससे।
Departments and ministries have been instructed to revert with a compliance report by 7th January of next year. In case of specific posts where the ministry or department wants to continue undertaking interview as a process of recruitment, a detailed proposal seeking exemption will have to be sent to the DOPT with the approval of the minister concerned. Sudhakar Das report, Newsnight Desk, DD News.